What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I am here with a hair update video. I'm going to be updating you guys on this hair right here that I'm wearing. This is a unit that I made probably about 3 months ago. I think it was early December, late November when I made this unit. So basically it's a lace frontal. And then I sewed in 3 bundles of hair. The hair is from Nadula. It's the Brazilian curly. I got a 16, 18, and 20 inch bundle. And I have a 12-inch frontal. So I made it and I probably worn it a total, probably about 6 or 7 times. And this hair has been doing amazing. I have experienced shedding, but I think that's because I did cut the wefts when I did make this unit, because I did glue half of this unit in. But I feel like that's why I experienced shedding and tangling. I really haven't had too much tangling because I do detangle it every time I take it off, because I've learned with like the curly hair, if you don't detangle it right after you take it off, or detangle it every night, like if you sew it in, you need to make sure you're detangling it every day. It can get really tangled, and that's what caused a lot of shedding as well. But to rewind back, like shipping and all that stuff, shipping was really good with this company. I received this hair in about 3 to 4 business days, which is really great. So if you need this hair and you need it to get to you quick, shipping will be really good with this company. With this closure, I feel like the closure came out really well. I did have to bleach the knots on the closure, and I know I've experienced sometimes when I bleach the closure the knots won't turn, but I had no trouble with the knots turning on this closure. I actually have a video of me bleaching the knots on this closure, and I'm trying to look in the mirror right now. Like, I don't see any black knots or anything like that, so the knots turn really well on this hair, which makes me believe that this hair would be great for coloring if you want to dye it or anything like that. I don't know how it'll do after you put any bleach or anything on it, because some hair loses its texture. Like the curl pattern will probably be a little bit looser if you do decide to like put any bleach or anything like that on it. I'm just talking just giving you guys different scenarios and different outcomes that may happen if you do certain things. So like bleaching the hair would definitely take the curl pattern away. I haven't had any problems with shampooing the hair and the curl pattern not coming back. I'm trying to just think a lot of different questions that you guys ask me, and I'm trying to answer them. So as far as, I don't know if this is really a con towards the hair, but this hair gets frizzy. By the end of the day, it looks like I have a big afro sitting on my head once the water absorbs and like all the product leaves. I haven't yet found a product that really works well with this hair and keeps the curls looking defined all day long. I don't know if this is just something having to do with the hair, or I haven't found the right product yet. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know down below. But this is what the hair looks like after wetting it. I just put some water on it, and I put a little bit of the Shea Moisture Curl Defining Cream that I showed you guys when I initially did the video. So definitely check out the initial video if you didn't check it out yet. But the curls are just so pretty. Like I previously said, this hair always gives me my Dominican vibes. But that is basically it. I just wanted to come real quick and talk about this hair just for a hot second and let you guys know how this hair is doing and what it looks like 3 months later. So this is what the hair is looking like. I'm still like loving this curl pattern. Like, I absolutely love it. This is going to be like one of my one of my wigs that I wear when I go to the beach or something like that. I'm going to California at the end of March, so I might have to take this with me. But that is basically it. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure your post notifications are on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.